Meme coins are going absolutely nuts at the moment. People are turning basically nothing into thousands of dollars. I have personally made some decent gains these last few days as well because there's so much liquidity in the Solana space right now. We can see even the Solana token is pumping so much. The entire market is down on the 24-hour and the 7-day, while Solana is casually just up 9% on a day, 21% in the last 7 days. At $183, you absolutely love to see it. You've had over $200 million of stable coins coming over to Solana in the last week. Crazy numbers. I have so many friends that have never used Solana that are now coming over to Solana to trade meme coins. That's how you know that all the attention is on the Solana ecosystem at the moment. But meme coins in general, you have seen Pepe do a 700% move in the last few weeks. We saw NFT Nick go absolutely viral this last week. Basically started with some of these tweets he did, basically choosing rich every single time. You can see that his tweets got like 45 million impressions on this one, 4 million, 7 million, absolutely crazy. And someone launched a Nick token. It ran up to like $60 million market cap in only a few days. Crazy stuff. The annoying part, however, was that I bought this token at 400,000 market cap, sold it for a nice 2x at 800,000, but it could have been like 100x if I had held it. But oh well, you win some, you lose some, you just gotta learn and move on. You also have the Book of Meme token that have absolutely exploded. It literally launched 2 days ago and is now sitting at over $500 million market cap, which is crazy. I literally just put 2 Sol into the pre-sale of this token and sold it for 40 Sol, a nice 20x in 24 hours. Had I held it until now, however, that would have been like a 200x at this point. It just shows you how much opportunity there is in the meme coin space right now. So I thought I would make a meme coin video talking about a few meme coins that I'm bullish on over the medium term, and also show you how I've been able to make some good money in this market over the last few days and weeks. And hopefully you can learn something and we can all make money together. Now, if you're new to meme coins on Solana, I highly recommend you to check out the meme coin tutorial video I posted like 2 months ago. That was when Solana meme coins were first popping off. So if you're new to this and want to learn a bit about the basics of Solana meme coin trading, highly recommend you to check that out. I will link it somewhere up here. And if you're new, instead of using normal dexes like Jupiter and Radium, highly recommend you to get a Telegram bot. I'm using BonkBot. It just makes it so much easier and faster to trade these meme coins. I will leave my referral link down below, so if you get any value from this video and haven't signed up to BonkBot, would highly appreciate it if you checked out my link down below. But anyway, let's take a look at some tokens. First of all, we have Honk token, Honk the Bunk Killer. This is a token I have just started accumulating, as you can see right here. This one launched back like 2 months ago when Solana meme coins were first popping off. It saw a pretty decent run, but as you can see, it has just consistently been using this trend line and consistently going upwards. It's currently sitting at $20 million market cap, but I think the upside for Honk is pretty significant because obviously, some of these meme coins are going crazy right now. There's so much liquidity in the space. So hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap for a meme coin like this is actually not off the table anymore. Back in the previous meme coin bull run on Solana 2 months ago, there were not a lot of tokens breaking like $100 million market caps, but now there actually are. We saw it with the Book of Meme currently sitting at 500 million. We've also seen it with, for example, Peng token, literally launched a week ago and it's now sitting at $150 million market cap. It reached an all-time high of $200 million market cap. So there's so much potential right here. And first of all, the TA on Honk is looking pretty beautiful right here. It's getting close to this trend line, which is where I am trying to accumulate. I think eventually Honk will run upwards again and break all-time highs. It currently has over 13,000 holders. I've been checking out the Telegram. They have almost 10,000 people in there. It's a super active community. They recently got listed on MEXC, which is a massive deal as well. There's not a lot of meme coins that have gotten listed on major exchanges like MEXC yet. And I did hear rumors that there are multiple other centralized exchanges coming up. I will leave the link to this project and the other projects I cover in this video down below, so you can go and do your own research, because do remember that these are meme coins. It's very risky. None of this information is financial advice. I cannot guarantee anything in this market. This is super risky, and if you have never traded meme coins before, I don't recommend you to just jump into it. I recommend you to just experiment a bit in the market with small amounts of money until you kind of learn how these things work, because this is super volatile. If you thought normal crypto was volatile, meme coins are like 10 times as volatile. But we are here to look for opportunities, and right now in this zone right here, I will be accumulating some Honk tokens because they have a really solid team. They've been around for 2 months. at this point, and they have proven themselves with a pretty nice looking chart. They have also built some different products. They are also working on a secret product that no one actually knows what is, so that could be quite cool. Multiple exchange listings coming up, and the volume is also super consistent. You can see the 24-hour volume is over $3 million, which is really solid for a $20 million market cap coin. Now next up, I'm looking at some more tokens that actually launched back in the previous meme coin bull run on Solana like 2 months ago, because I do think some of these could see a second run and break all-time highs again. The second token is Bird. If you watched my previous meme coin tutorial video, you know that I traded Bird pretty actively and made some pretty good money on Bird. And just a few days ago, I bought back into Bird and sold it for a nice 2x, but then it did dip back down, and I have started accumulating in this region right here because it did bottom out and it is in an uptrend, and I do think eventually Bird could also break all-time highs. It's currently only sitting at a $1.5 million market cap, so this is a pretty small market cap coin, but they have proven themselves. They have a solid team. They also have a very solid community. They have over 15,000 followers here on Twitter. Now the reason I'm looking at some of these older meme coins is, first of all, they have proven themselves, so we know that they're not a rug, but also I do think some attention will move to these OG coins again, similar to what we saw with Chunky. Chunky did see a massive run over the last few days. You can see that it kind of bottomed out right here and then did a solid like 600% gain, almost broke all-time high, now raging down here, but I do think eventually Chunky could also break all-time highs. But I do think Honk and Bird, as well as something like Used Car, could see bigger gains than Chunky, just because they haven't seen such a massive pump yet. Used Car as well was obviously a huge token back 2 months ago, and since then it hasn't really done much. It saw a little bit of a pump right here, but it has retraced and is now trading down here. It's currently sitting at $12 million market cap. But the volume on it is pretty consistent, and I do think people will kind of start to remember some of these older tokens, and that some of the volume and liquidity going into these new tokens right now, when people make money on these new tokens, will rotate into some of these older tokens, and I really think some of these tokens will catch a lot of momentum. Now obviously one of the reasons I'm not talking about brand new tokens in this video as well is because if I talk about a token that launched yesterday, by the time I upload this video, that project could have rugged, or it could have been down 90% or up 1000%. Like, you can't really talk about brand new tokens in videos like these that take a few days to produce, because I am also trading quite a few new tokens as well. But when it comes to new tokens, I'm in and out super quickly, like within a few hours or a few days. But when it comes to these type of projects like Honk and Bird and Used Car, I am looking to stay in them for probably a few weeks, because I do think they could see some decent runs. But now, as I said, I do also trade a lot of new tokens. For example, Book of Memes got in on the pre-sale. I found it on Twitter, did a nice 20x in 24 hours. Same with Nick token, got in at $400,000 market cap, which was obviously super early, considering it ran to 60 million. Now, how do I actually find these high potential tokens early? It's basically all through alpha groups, friendship groups, as well as just your Twitter feed. You need to follow the right people, you need to hear the right things, be in the right alpha groups, know the right people. For example, Book of Meme was literally just a friend of mine that is also trading meme coins right now that basically shared this project. I threw some money in, ended up doing really well. When it came to the Nick token, I obviously follow Nick. He's a pretty big profile, and he actually tweeted about this token when it was at 400k. So I literally just aped in right when he tweeted it. And there are quite a few decent profiles on Twitter that you could follow. Do note that most of these people obviously shill their own bag, and quite a few of them are scammers as well. So I wouldn't just blindly trust anyone. But what I will do is leave a list of some of the Twitter profiles that I follow that I kind of like down below. So these are some profiles that might have some good alpha. As I said, don't just blindly trust anyone, because people are likely to shill their own bags as well. And in the last meme coin video, a lot of people were asking about if I knew some good alpha groups, if I kind of knew some good communities to join for this alpha. Honestly, I am in some different ones, but most of them are private. It kind of just all depends on your network in this space. It's all about making connections, putting in some effort in getting to know smart people. And you often do that by providing value and getting some followers yourself. If you have some followers on Twitter, it is much easier to get added into these different alpha groups. There are also some decent alpha NFT communities that you could look into. I unfortunately don't have any specific ones to give to you, because it's very personal preference what sort of trading you are doing, and also what sort of alpha groups you are able to get into. And as I'm recording this video, Book of Meme literally just broke $650 million market cap. It might actually go to $1 billion, which is kind of annoying because I sold it at like 200 million or so, I believe. But you win some, you lose some, still made some good money on this project. And it seems like this isn't stopping anytime soon. I'm pretty sure this meme coin market will continue to run at least the next few weeks. Let me know how the meme coin trading is going for you down below in the comment section. I would love to hear about your journey so far. If I missed any good potential medium or long-term projects in this video, feel free to show them down below. I would love to look into it. Also, feel free to join my Telegram group down below. It's completely free, and you know, we can strategize and hopefully share some good alpha in there with each other to make money. Also, feel free to join my Discord down below. Obviously, like and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on future content. Make sure to follow me over on Twitter as well. The links to the projects I featured in this video will be down below. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.